In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new group in Notion. If you're organizing tasks on a Kanban board in Notion, groups are the columns you see across the top, things like To Do, In Progress, or Done. Adding a new group gives you another column to sort and visualize your work, and it only takes a moment. Start by moving your mouse to the far right side of your existing groups. You want to hover over the right edge of the last group on your board. As you slide your cursor toward that edge, a small plus icon will appear. It can be subtle, so take your time and aim for the outer boundary of the final column header. If you don't see it right away, nudge your cursor a little higher or lower along that right border until the icon pops up. This action works specifically in the board view, so make sure you're looking at your Kanban layout rather than another database view. Once the plus icon appears, go ahead and click it. Notion will instantly create a brand new group to the right of your current columns. You'll see a fresh, empty column header waiting for you to customize. This is your new space to categorize tasks, projects, ideas, whatever fits your workflow. The group is ready to use immediately, so there's no extra setup required. Now, name the group. Click into the new group's title field and type the name you want. Keep it clear and concise so you and your team can scan the board quickly. For example, use labels like In Review, Blocked, Backlog, or Next Up, depending on how you manage your process. If your board is organized by priority, you might use High, Medium, or Low. If it's organized by people, try the person's role or function. Press Enter to confirm the name, and that's it. You've added a new group. A few quick tips to make this even smoother. If the plus icon doesn't show, check that you're hovering over the header area of the final column and not inside a card. You can always rename the group later by clicking the title again, so don't worry about picking the perfect label on your first try. Short names tend to work best, and consistency helps keep your board readable. After naming, feel free to drag existing cards into your new group whenever it makes sense for your workflow. And that's all it takes. Hover, click the plus, name your group, and you're done. Simple, fast, and effective.